Vande Matram. These are not just words, they are the very soul of patriotism. The man who gave this powerful chant to the nation was Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. He was not only a great literary figure but also a cultural inspiration for India's freedom struggle. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was born on June 26, 1838, in Nehati, West Bengal. A brilliant student from an early age, he graduated from the University of Calcutta, becoming one of the first Indian graduates of his time. His interests extended beyond academics. He was deeply passionate about Indian culture and history. His literary journey was dedicated to the upliftment of the Bengali language and awakening Indian consciousness. His first Bengali novel, Durgesh Nandini, earned him fame, but his most significant and historic contribution was his novel Anandamath. This novel featured the song Vande Matram, which later became the battle cry of the Indian freedom movement. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay played a vital role in India's renaissance through his works, including Kapal Kundala, Devi Chaudhurani, Sitaram, and Anandamath. His writings were not just for entertainment, they were infused with patriotism and national consciousness. His literature reflected themes of social reform, women's empowerment, and India's glorious past. He also served as an administrative officer, but his heart was always dedicated to the advancement of Indian culture and literature. Through his writings, he criticized British policies and reminded Indians of their rich heritage. His words revived a sense of pride and nationalism among the people. His contributions were not limited to literature. He was also involved in journalism and founded the magazine Bangdarshan, which became a significant platform for Bengali literature and nationalism. His articles strongly emphasized social reform, education, and patriotism. On April 8, 1894, he bid farewell to this world, but his works and ideas continue to inspire us even today. The chant of Vande Matram still echoes in the hearts of Indians, and Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's name is etched in golden letters in history. His life teaches us that literature is not just a form of entertainment, it is also a powerful medium for social and national progress. Even today, his works and thoughts continue to motivate Indian society and the youth. His legacy reminds us that literature, ideology, and patriotism together can spark a revolution in society. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.